Welcome to Steaking House, everybody. And today we are gonna do a battle against the Iwatani cooking torch, which is amazing. I love it. But I just got a new TS 8000 from Bernzomatic. I want to see how the sear with this torch is gonna be against the Iwatani. As I said, I'm not unhappy with the Iwatani. If I can improve my Maillard reaction, wow, that's gonna be a big plus. I'm gonna be using these two torches and we are gonna see which one of them is gonna perform better. So for today's cook, to put these torches to the test, we bought some prime steaks, guys. This is prime quality, bone-in ribeyes, dry aged for 28 days. And we have two of them. When we vote which one is better for searing, then we have this last one, because of course, once we know which one is gonna be a better performer, we're gonna make the last one, of course, with the winner. We're gonna sous vide these babies for 2 hours in 132 degrees Fahrenheit. And now it's time of truth, guys. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna take two of them, as I said. First one is gonna be with the Iwatani. It performed very well. I already know, already on this for like 7 months. Has never let me down. So now we're gonna put some fire in them. Wow, I look like a professional welder, something like this. Here's the seasoning, guys. This is impressive. This is my friend Bruno, and hello. He's like, so he's gonna taste the first one and the second one, and he's gonna say which one is better, all right?
Here we go.
And if it is good as well, because we don't know if it's good or not.
It's really good. Now what do I do?
Go ahead, finish this one and,
okay.
And go for the next one, or?
Mm-hmm. They're both delicious, but I think this one is better.
The next one is gonna be dope. Dope. Come over here. Go ahead, try the first one and the second one. Let me know which one is better. This one is amazing. That's good to hear, because I didn't try yet, so I don't know if he's telling the truth or just to indulge me. This is really amazing. I don't know which one is better. So we have a tie here, guys. You think both are okay? I like both. Both are very good. So let me try. It's my turn. Let me see which one I think is better. So as I said, well, I'm gonna change the order because I'm used to the Iwatani. So that's what I'm gonna taste first. Wow. Wow. This steak is amazing, guys. If the second one with the TS 8000 is gonna beat this one, it's gonna be amazing, because this first one with the Iwatani is just awesome. Wow. Wow. I kind of agree with Doug. It is very difficult to judge, but I have to say the crust on the TS 8000, I gotta say this one is the winner, but it's a very close result, guys. So if you have the Iwatani at home, I would say you don't need the TS 8000. But this is a preliminary result, okay? That's the first time I use it, so I'm gonna start to use it often, and then I will tell you guys with more experience which one I find better for indoor use. Today we got a little bit more smoke than usually. I'm not sure if it was because of the TS 8000, a steak that was a little bit more marbled than usual. This is prime beef, so I had a lot of fat to burn, so maybe that was the reason. I'll let you know in the coming videos. So that's it, guys. Today the winner is the TS 8000 by a small margin, I have to say. So try this at home, you're not gonna regret it. And if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Touch the bell for the notifications so that you know when there is a new video coming up. And that's it, guys. I see you in the next one. Just amazing, guys. Wow.